Ladies and gentlemen, the following contest is scheduled for one fall. Good. Introducing first, ladies and gentlemen, from the south side of Chicago, representing the G Code, he is the Big Steppa, Darrell Shaw. And ladies and gentlemen, his opponents. Please welcome the Big Bad Wolf.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Spartan Pro Wrestling. I am the voice of Spartan Pro Wrestling, Luis.
And I am the general manager, Joe Crow, and we are here for a battle of big dudes with a Big Steppa and the Big Bad Wolf.
Correct. And I guess that's his mating call. I am not sure. But we got the Big Steppa from Chicago versus the Big Bad Wolf. And, I think he actually tag teamed with legendary Mr. Hughes back last week, if I'm not mistaken, for WrestlingCon 7. So Big Bad Wolf making an impact here in the state of Alabama.
My goodness, the legendary, the infamous Mr. Hughes was the personal bodyguard in that six-man tag match at WrestlingCon 7 for Rocket City. You and I had the distinct honor to announce that entire show. And
correct, and they couldn't get any better talent than us. I would say that much. And I felt the cold souls from that Undertaker urn that Mr. Hughes had.
Oh my gosh! I mean, that was one of the Undertaker's urns. It was.
That's wrestling legend right there.
Oh wow!
Wait a minute. Battle of the, I guess. Who can stay up the longest?
I think we may be looking at future legends here.
Whoa! Oh my God! That's a Chicago thrust there.
Oh!
Huff and puff and trying to take out.
Whoa.
Oh, wait a minute. His arm is wrapped around the ring ropes. And Joe, I blame you for that.
No, but I was not.
It's the ropes are not on their right. That's your fault, Joe. It's your fault.
All right. Sure. The Alabama Pizza Company's blaming me in case the order was incorrect. And ladies, okay, here we go. Chicanery on the behalf of the Big Steppa, Darrell Shaw. And just going to work on the Big Bad Wolf here. Oh! I hope that our ring crew takes care of his chinchilla jacket.
Chinchilla jacket?
Yes.
That is worth more than the bus ticket you took up north.
Well, thank you. Thank you. That was a pretty nice bus, though. I don't know.
Was it? You got the senior citizen discount with Action Mike Jackson, didn't you? Did you guys get new tennis balls, too, while you were at it? Headbutt by the Big Steppa.
Oh, that didn't hurt. That did not hurt the Big Bad Wolf.
And there is the mating call by the Big Bad Wolf. Oh.
Oh, the Big Bad Wolf, he's got to make this happen.
Oh, running headbutt by the Big Bad Wolf.
He's doing it, ladies and gentlemen. Reminiscent of the legendary Junkyard. Oh, what? Oh, that's not cool.
No, that's your fault.
Probably.
Yep.
I'm gonna have to throw the ring canvas in the laundromat.
Yes, you do. You better make sure you use Tide and not none of that powder stuff. Is he trying to say he'll take the count out? Wait a minute, 300 rater calling the Big Steppa a chicken. They go from Elmo to chicken. They can't even get in. They can't get nothing right.
Elmo is some kind of weird Sesame Street puppet. He is not a chicken. There are, I guess, Gonzo's girlfriends. Those are chickens. A freak, Big Darrell Shaw calls the Big Bad Wolf. Oh, the Greco-Roman eye poke. Oh, giant what in the heck? Kind of a double-arm suplex. I've not seen anybody take advantage, strength-wise, of the Big Bad Wolf, except for the Big Steppa Darrell Shaw. And the Big Bad Wolf is not accustomed to having somebody in the ring bigger than him.
Right, the Big Steppa with the big boots that make the steps big into the throat of the Big Bad Wolf, and now the Big Steppa into the face of this Temu referee that you have in here.
Yeah. Oh. I think he whoop. All right, check it out. Former Spartan heavyweight champion, Darrell Shaw.
Leader of the last tribe of Big Smooth and Brandon Cash.
I think Smooth and Cash might disagree on who the leader of that group was.
I don't know about all that. Who's still here today?
That would just be...
That's facts, right? Who's here today?
That would be Darrell Shaw.
Exactly. Thank you very much. Come back and see us. Off the ropes. And a big clothesline from Chicago. Darrell Shaw saying, "Stay there, boy," like a dog he is. You know, he wants to run around and put his leg up and everything, you know. Oh!
He missed the leg drop.
Sits on nothing but air.
This is Big Bad Wolf's shot. This is his chance to dethrone a former Spartan heavyweight champion.
Shoulder thrust into the big man himself. A second one, trying to take the Big Steppa out. Can he take him out with a third? No, swing and a miss. There's the third one.
He did it.
The Big Steppa is in trouble. The Big Bad Wolf needs to capitalize and needs to do it now.
These are two of the most athletic big dudes I have ever seen.
Running start into the corner and a splash. Wait a minute.
What?
Belly to belly.
Whoa! I've never seen somebody do that to Darrell Shaw.
The ring just moved. The ring just moved. And out, genius. Knowing where you are in the ring.
That's the experience.
Wait a minute. Running start. Big Bad Wolf off the ropes. Slides outside.
Whoa.
A little bit turbulence on the way down.
Yeah. Now we are in the front row is getting a nice bonus bit of action from Big Bad Wolf and Darrell Shaw. Back in the ring. Back in the ring. Here we go. All right, Big Bad Wolf has got to get a second wind or a third wind to take out Darrell Shaw.
By this time, this is like the 6th win. He's calling for it now. Big Bad Wolf. Oh, almost put the referee away. Oh! DDT takes out the Big Bad Wolf.
That wasn't all.
I saw a DDT.
That's it.
Appreciate.
Ladies and gentlemen, your winner, the Big Steppa, Darrell Shaw!